Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious beetroot carrot pickle. First, gather your fresh beetroot and carrots, along with essential spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and red chili powder. Wash, peel, and finely chop your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. Having all your ingredients prepped beforehand makes the entire pickling process smooth and enjoyable. This initial preparation is key to a successful and flavorful outcome. Next, we'll start building the flavor. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and gently sauté your chopped beetroot and carrots with 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Cook until they are slightly tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and 1½ teaspoons of red chili powder. Finally, pour in 1 cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Once your pickle mixture has simmered, it's crucial to let it cool down entirely. This step prevents condensation and ensures a longer shelf life. Carefully transfer the cooled pickle into clean, sterilized glass jars, making sure they are airtight. For the best flavor development, allow the pickle to rest for at least 2 to 3 days. This resting period lets all those wonderful spices and vegetables truly meld together, creating a richer, more complex taste. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade beetroot carrot pickle. This versatile condiment is perfect alongside rice dishes, curries, or even as a zesty side with sandwiches. To keep it fresh, store your pickle in the refrigerator, where it will last for up to 3 to 4 weeks. Don't hesitate to experiment with additional spices like a pinch of asafoetida or a dash of black salt to customize the flavor to your liking. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.